Atkins Civil 3D video series, SPD-5, plotting publishing drawing sheets. This video illustrates A. Check prints, B. Create batch plot files, and C. Publish improvement drawings. Construction drawings are generally created for plotting on 24 by 36 inch paper sheets. There are generally three types of plots made for construction drawings. 24 by 36 inch paper drawings using large format plotter, 11 by 17 or 12 by 18 inch paper drawings using a commercial printer, and 24 by 36 inch drawing in PDF format using the AutoCAD PDF PC3 high quality printer. The plot settings for each type of plot is currently shown. Check plots of the drawing are made periodically throughout the construction drawing preparation process. Generally, these plots are made on 11 by 17 or 12 by 18 inch paper because they are easy, fast, and cheap to prepare. After the construction drawings are completed, a .dsd file of the drawings is made that is used to publish the complete set of construction drawings at one time on 24 by 36 inch paper. A high-quality PDF file of the completed construction drawing is also created for submitting to contractors and construction advertisement companies. The PDF file is created with 24 by 36 inch drawings, which can be plotted on any size paper. Check plots are made at various stages during the preparation of drawings for review and editing purposes. A check plot is also made of the layout sheet to see how the various parts of the drawing will appear so that adjustments can be made to the settings prior to publishing the final set of construction drawings. To make a check plot for an area of the drawing, create a rectangle at the check plot paper size. RECT, enter to start the rectangle command. Pick a point in a clear area and enter at 16, 10 for slightly less than 17 by 11. Enter. Scale the rectangle to the drawing scale or other desired scale. SC, enter. Select the object, enter. Pick a point anywhere and select 20 for the drawing size. Move the rectangle to the desired area. M, enter. Pick the rectangle and move to the desired location. All check plots are made ortho to the current UCS, the user coordinate system. Depress Ctrl P, which is a universal window plot command, and check or modify the desired setting. The name of the page setup, generally it's none. If a previous plot style is desired, depress previous plot. This is used a lot of times when a person wishes to use the settings for one layout sheet to additional layout sheets. Plotter name. There are several plotters which can be used. Included here is a large format plotter, the commercial printer, the AutoCAD PDF plotter. Generally for PDF files, the high quality print is selected. There's also another plotter which is used for preparing PNG images, which is the Paperport image printer. For the check print, the commercial printer Canon IR 2200 is used. Generally, drawings are printed and not instead of plotted to file. Paper size. For this check print, select the 11 by 17. Any larger size is not available on this commercial printer. Number of pages is generally 1. Plot style. Atkins has several CTB plot styles related to the size of paper. The line weights corresponding to the color set forth in video BAS2. For this video, we're using ATK 11 by 17 CTB. Assign this plot style to all layouts. Yes. Shaded viewport options. The shading is as displayed. Quality, there is draft, preview, presentation, maximum, but normal is generally used, which has a DPI of 300. Plot options, Select plot and background so that you can continue working on the drawing while a drawing is being printed. Plot object line weights, check, yes. Plot transparency. As noted, this option should only be used when plotting drawings with transparent object. Generally, this is left unchecked. Plot with plot styles, yes. You want to use the CTB plot style when plotting. Plot stamp on. Select this whether you want to have the plot stamp plotted with the drawing. Save changes to layout. Generally, this is left unchecked. You can select this option if you have made any changes that you desire to be saved, given a name, and later recalled to be used on another drawing. What to plot on the plot area, normally it's a windows that you select. You do have the option for display, extents, limits, and window. When you're printing layout sheets, what to plot is generally the display or extents. Select window to select the drawing area to be selected from the end point to the end point. Fit the paper. Since a specific layout has been set for a specific size, go ahead and use the drawing scale. Sometimes you want it just to fit the paper. On the drawing orientation, select landscape. Construction drawings are generally always drawn in landscape view. Then you can center the plot, or you can set the X and Y offset setting as previously shown in this video. For 11 by 17 inch drawing, the X offset 0.9, Y offset is 0.3. Use a preview to see how the drawing will be plotted. There is adjustments that need to be made for this drawing. For this video, we'll just select center. We will not select apply to layout, and we will select OK to print the drawing. The plot settings need to be adjusted for 24 by 36 inch paper prior to creating the batchplot.dsd files. Control P to open the plot dialog box for the layout sheet currently shown. Select the type of plotter, HP DesignJet 500. As you can see, when the HP DesignJet 500 is selected, the name displays for about a second, then displays none. The HP DesignJet 500 worked great with Windows 7. I had some security issues with my computer and recently installed Windows 10 Pro. I subsequently found out that there is an issue with Windows 10 and the HP DesignJet 500 plotter. I tried for about a day to correct this issue, but was unsuccessful. For the purposes of this video, AutoCAD PDF PC plotter will be illustrated. Adjust the plotter settings, plotter name, AutoCAD PDF high quality, paper size, Architect D 24 by 36, plot style, Atkins 24 by 36 CTB, quality is normal, plot options, plot and background, drawing orientation, landscape, plot area, plot the extents, scale 1 to 1, plot offset X 0.8, Y 0.6. Preview a check plot to ensure the plot is as desired. Preview. The settings appear correct and the drawing appears to be centered in the layout. The drawing appears a little dark, but a check plot of this layout printed satisfactory. Depress the close preview window. Apply the layout, which will save the settings which can be used for additional layouts. Cancel the plot without plotting the layout. Open another layout sheet. Open the plot dialog box. Name. Select previous plot, apply to layout, and cancel without plotting the layout. Repeat the procedure for additional layout sheets. Batchplot.dsd files are created for the plotting of the construction drawing. Batch plot files do not contain any drawing data. They contain a pointer that points to the location of the specific sheet in the SPD drawing. Changes can be made in the SPD and improvement source drawing as needed. These changes will automatically be incorporated into subsequent plotted sheets. Initially, each improvement class, road, storm, sewer, water, front end, and back end, will have their own batch plot file. After all improvement class batch plot files have been created, they will be combined into a total project batch plot file. Create the road improvement class batch plot file for the road improvement SPD drawing that is currently opened. Output ribbon, batch plot icon. In the publish dialog box, remove the road improvement SPD model sheet. Right click, remove, depress save sheet list icon. Browse to project name, drawing production folder, publish sets folder. Save as road improvement SPD.dsd. Save. Depress cancel to close a dialog box. Add the typical section SPD drawing that is currently open to the road improvement SPD.dsd batch plot file. Open ribbon, batch plot icon. Right click and remove the model drawing. Depress the load sheet icon. Do you want to save the current? No. Select the road improvement SPD.dsd. Load. Append. The previous list is added below the typical section sheet. Save the list. Select road improvement SPD.dsd. Save. Depress yes to replace the current list and cancel. Add the apartment 4301 drive sheet that is currently shown to the road improvement SPD.dsd batch plot file. Output ribbon tab, batch plot file icon. Right click to remove the model drawing. Remove. Depress the load sheet icon. Do you want to save the current list? No. Select road improvement SPD.dsd. Load. Append. Pick the 4301 driveway sheet and move down to the correct location, which is sheet number 27. Save the list. One or more drawings have been unchanged. Save the apartment driveway drawing so that the DSD file can be created. Close. Close the publish dialog box. Do you want to save current list? No. Save the current drawing. Batch plot icon. Remove model. Load the previously saved sheet list. Do you want to save the current? No. Road improvement SPD. Load. Append. Move the driveway to the correct location in the drawing. Save the list. Road improvement SPD.dsd. Save. Yes. You want to replace the previous. Cancel. A blank drawing is currently shown. The batch plot files for the storm, sewer, water, front end, and back end SPD drawings have been created using the same procedures as for the road improvement SPD.dsd batch plot file. Combine the batch plot files into one total batch plot file for the project. Output ribbon, batch plot icon, load sheet list. Start with the front end SPD.dsd. Load. Load sheet list. Road improvement SPD.dsd. Load. Append. Load sheet list. No for save the current. Storm improvement SPD. Load. Append. Load sheet list. Do not save the current. The sewer improvement SPD. Load. Append. Load sheet list. No. Water improvement SPD. Load. Append. Load sheet list. No. Do not save the current. Back end SPD. Load. Append. And name it ABC Road Improvement Project. .dsd. Save. Cancel. To plot a full set of construction drawings for the ABC Road Improvement Project at one time, open a blank drawing, Output tab, Batch Plot File, open the Load Sheet list, ABC Road Improvement Project, Load, and depress the Publish button. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.